Ever wondered what are the top 3 online businesses to start in 2024? Well, today is your lucky day. Our world is changing rapidly, and the realm of business is no exception. With the rise of technology and the internet, the way we conduct business has drastically shifted. The digital revolution has ushered in an era where online businesses rule the roost, presenting countless opportunities for growth, innovation, and flexibility. Imagine this. You're running your own business from the comfort of your home, or perhaps a beach in Bali, or even a cozy cafe in Paris. You're not bound by a 9-to-5 schedule, traffic jams, or stuffy office cubicles. You're your own boss, setting your own hours, charting your own path. This is the power and allure of online businesses. These businesses aren't merely a trend, they're the future, and the future is here. The internet has democratized entrepreneurship, opening the doors for anyone with a dream and determination to start their own business. No longer is starting a business exclusive to those with deep pockets or connections. We're living in an age where technological advancements have made it easier than ever to set up shop online. Tools and platforms abound to help you build your website, market your products or services, and connect with customers from all corners of the globe. And the potential for growth? It's staggering. The online marketplace is vast and ever-expanding, with billions of potential customers just a click away. Online businesses offer a level of scalability that traditional brick-and-mortar stores can only dream of. But with so many options, where do you start? What are the most promising online business opportunities for 2024? Well, we've done the research, crunched the numbers, and we're here to share our findings. In this video, we will explore 3 of the most promising online business opportunities for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking for your next venture, or a newbie just dipping your toes into the entrepreneurial waters, there's something for everyone. So buckle up, folks. The future of business is online, and it's time to jump on board. The first online business we're focusing on is a digital marketing agency. Now, don't be daunted by the jargon. At its core, digital marketing is simply about using digital channels, such as social media, email, and websites, to promote a product, service, or brand. So how does one go about starting a digital marketing agency, you ask? Let's break it down step by step. We begin with understanding digital trends. In an ever-changing digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. You need to know what's happening, what's hot, and what's not. This involves continuous learning and adapting. Subscribe to credible digital marketing blogs, listen to podcasts, attend webinars and conferences. You want to become a sponge, absorbing all the knowledge and insights the digital world has to offer. Next, we move to building a portfolio. This is your showreel, your proof of expertise. If you're just starting, consider offering your services for free or at a discounted rate to friends, family, or local businesses. This will allow you to gain practical experience and create case studies that demonstrate your skills and results. Now, on to finding clients. This is where your network comes into play. Start with who you know. Reach out to your connections. Let them know about your new venture. LinkedIn can be an excellent platform for this. Join groups, participate in discussions, share your thoughts and insights. Also, consider cold outreach. Research potential clients who could benefit from your services, craft a personalized pitch, and send it out. Remember, it's a numbers game. The more you reach out, the higher your chances of landing a client. Finally, we arrive at delivering results. This is, after all, what your clients are paying for. Develop a clear strategy for each client, set measurable goals, and then work your magic to achieve them. Use analytics tools to track progress and adjust your strategy as needed. And most importantly, communicate. Keep your clients informed about what you're doing and how it's benefiting their business. Starting a digital marketing agency is an excellent opportunity for those with a knack for understanding online trends and translating them into successful marketing strategies. It's a business that offers flexibility, potential for growth, and the chance to make a real impact on other businesses' success. It's not easy, sure, but what worthwhile venture ever is? So if you're willing to put in the work, to learn and adapt, to build relationships, and to deliver results, then a digital marketing agency could be the online business for you in 2024. Our second business opportunity is starting an e-commerce store. Now, you might be wondering, what's an e-commerce store? Well, in simple terms, it's a virtual storefront that allows you to sell products or services to customers worldwide. But how do you go about setting up your own? Let's dive in. The first step is identifying your niche. This is the specific market segment that you'll serve. You don't want to be a jack of all trades, master of none. Instead, you want to find a product or a group of products that resonate with a certain group of people. This could be anything from vintage clothing to sustainably sourced coffee. The key is to find something you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Next up is sourcing your products. If you're selling physical goods, you'll need to find a supplier or manufacturer. There are plenty of resources online to help you do this, such as Alibaba or Thomasnet. If you're selling digital products or services, this step would involve creating or developing what you're going to sell. Once you've got your products, it's time to set up your online store. There are numerous platforms out there that can help you do this, from Shopify to WooCommerce. These platforms provide you with the tools to create a professional-looking store, even if you don't have any coding experience. You'll want to make sure your store is easy to navigate, aesthetically pleasing, and optimized for search engines to increase visibility. Now we come to the marketing part. You can have the best products in the world, but if nobody knows about them, you're not going to make any sales. This is where social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization come into play. You'll want to build a strong online presence, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your store. And let's not forget about customer service. Excellent customer service can make or break your e-commerce store. You'll need to be responsive to customer inquiries, handle returns and exchanges smoothly, and ensure that your customers are satisfied with their purchases. Starting an e-commerce store may seem daunting, but with the right plan and tools, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Keep in mind that, like any business, it requires time, effort, and patience. But with the ongoing shift towards online shopping, there's never been a better time to dive into e-commerce. With the right products and marketing, an e-commerce store can be a profitable online business in 2024. So, are you ready to open your virtual storefront and start selling to the world? The third online business opportunity is creating and selling online courses. Imagine for a moment a world where your knowledge, expertise, or passion becomes a source of income. Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's the power of creating and selling online courses. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Identify a profitable course topic. This could be anything from digital marketing to knitting, as long as there's a demand for it. How do you find out? Simple. You research. Use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to identify what people are interested in learning about. Look for a topic that aligns with your expertise and has a decent search volume. Step 2. Create engaging content. Remember, you're not just teaching, you're entertaining. Your course should be informative but also engaging. Use storytelling, real-life examples, and interactive elements to keep your students hooked. And don't forget to break your content into digestible modules to make it easy for your students to follow along. Step 3. Set up a course platform. There are many platforms out there like Udemy or Teachable that make it easy to host and sell your courses. When choosing a platform, consider factors such as ease of use, pricing, and the level of support they offer. Step 4. Market your course. Now that you've created your course, it's time to sell it. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to reach your target audience. Offer free trials or discounts to entice people to sign up. And don't forget to ask for reviews and testimonials from your students to build trust with potential customers. Creating an online course may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of planning and effort, it can become a rewarding and profitable venture. It's an opportunity for you to share your knowledge with the world, help others grow, and make a decent income while doing so. And the best part? Once you've created your course, it becomes a source of passive income. You do the hard work once, and then sit back and watch as the sales roll in. It's an investment in your future that can pay off big time. So, if you're an expert in a specific field, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to share your knowledge and earn income. The world is your classroom, and your students are waiting. So what are you waiting for? Let's recap the top 3 online businesses to start in 2024. First, we have the digital marketing agency. In an era where digital is king, understanding and leveraging digital trends is paramount. It's all about helping businesses reach their audience in the most effective way possible. This means mastering SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and other digital strategies. Remember, success in this field doesn't come overnight. It requires constant learning and adaptability, but the rewards can be significant for those who are up to the challenge. Next, we explored the e-commerce store. The key here is finding the right products and marketing them effectively. It's about identifying a niche, sourcing high-quality products, and creating a compelling online shopping experience. This business model offers a lot of flexibility, allowing you to operate from anywhere and scale your business at your own pace. However, it's important to remember that customer service is king in e-commerce, so always strive to exceed customer expectations. Lastly, we looked at online course creation. This is a fantastic way to share your expertise with the world and create a passive income stream. Whether you're a yoga guru, a coding whiz, or a master chef, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. The key to success here is to create high-quality, engaging content that truly adds value to your students. Remember, your reputation is everything in this business, so always strive for excellence. These 3 online business opportunities offer the potential for financial success and the flexibility of working from anywhere. They are not without their challenges, but with determination, creativity, and a willingness to learn, you can create a successful online business in 2024. So, why wait? Start planning today and take the first step towards your entrepreneurial journey. The future of business is online, and 2024 is your year to jump in. The world of online business is vast and offers a myriad of opportunities for everyone. The 3 business models we've explored today, a digital marketing agency, an e-commerce store, and online course creation, are just the tip of the iceberg. Each of these ventures holds the potential for immense growth and flexibility. You can start and manage them from the comfort of your home or even a beach in Bali if that's your kind of thing. The world is your office, and your potential customers are the 7 billion people who inhabit it. A digital marketing agency can bring significant value to businesses trying to navigate the ever-changing digital landscape. It's a business model that's constantly evolving and requires a keen eye for trends and an understanding of the online marketplace. An e-commerce store, on the other hand, allows you to sell products directly to consumers around the globe. With the right product and marketing strategy, your store could become the next big thing in online retail. Finally, online course creation is an opportunity to share your knowledge and expertise with the world. It's a chance to help others grow and learn while also creating a sustainable business model for yourself. Remember, the key to success in any business is passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn. These online businesses are no different. They require work, but the rewards can be substantial. So, why not take the leap in 2024? Start planning your online venture today. Research, learn, and prepare. The internet is teeming with resources and tools to help you on your journey. Take advantage of them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Here's to your success in 2024.